Hey, I want to tell you about the best service in the category Best Email Marketing Services, with which I have been working for a very long time. It is one of the best marketing automation tools in the industry. Let me show you a few secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the Best Email Marketing Services category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Look closely. We are starting.
Benchmark Email is an online service for creating and automating email marketing campaigns. The company operates internationally with employees in 15 countries, offices in 9 countries, and support staff in 9 languages. For businesses with fewer than 3,500 subscribers, Benchmark Email has a free plan and a pro plan. The free plan includes unlimited subscribers, but is limited to 250 emails per month. The Pro plan has 5 pricing tiers starting at $13.99 per month for up to 600 subscribers. Prices climb steadily to $43.99 a month when you have between 2,500 and 3,500 subscribers. Annual payment gives you 15% discount. For high volumes, the plan is based on the number of emails you intend to send each month. For example, a plan that includes 10,000 emails per month costs $40 per month, and it costs $150 per month to send 50,000 emails per month. Benchmark Email includes prices of up to 15 million emails per month, which will cost you $10,000 per month. There are several add-ons you can choose from, such as checklist, unlimited image hosting, and a dedicated IP address of $28.95 per month. Benchmark Email has a free plan, a pro plan, and a volume-based pricing for large companies. Despite its simple interface, Benchmark Email has powerful features for marketing campaign design, contact management, automation, reporting, and landing pages. You can create email feeds and RSS feeds using a drag-and-drop editor, text editor, or HTML editor. And the inbox validation tools show you how your email campaigns will appear across a wide range of inboxes. Besides importing from XLS, CSV, and TXT files, you can import contacts from other tools like Zoho, Google Contacts, and Microsoft Dynamics CRM. You can create registration forms and polls from a list of templates. Email automation for welcome emails, anniversaries, and reminders is available as a free plan, but where the best is Benchmark Email is Automation Pro, a workflow-based email automation system that takes actions as users move through your sales funnels. There are templates for abandoned cart emails and Facebook ad retargeting. There are templates for abandoned cart emails, follow-up streaks, and Facebook ad retargeting, among others, and the tool's versatile nature means you can quickly create your own automated workflows for specific business needs. Automation Pro in Benchmark Email has one of the most versatile email marketing automation tools available today. It's easy to get started with Benchmark Email. You can start with a free account that includes basic email marketing features. Landing Page Builder and Automation Pro are available for testing as part of the free plan, but you will need to upgrade to the Pro plan before getting started. The Welcome Dashboard guides you through all the steps you must complete before sending your first email campaign, from adding your contacts to creating your first draft email. If you want to maximize your email marketing bang for your buck, you'll need more automation than a simple autoresponder. I'm very impressed with what Benchmark has to offer for advanced automation and how easy it is to build workflows. To save time, you can choose from 10 ready-made templates. Alternatively, you can start from scratch. You can create nodes that are either conditions or actions. You probably want to collect contacts from more than just your website. Whether you use CRM, social media, a blog, or an online store to attract new subscribers, Benchmark probably has an integration for you. There are currently over 300 integrations, and one of them is Zapier. Thus, even if specific integration is not available, you can probably find a workaround using Zapier. This rather unique feature has both good and bad sides, but mostly good. Basically, Benchmark Email Marketing charges $3 for 1,000 contacts added to paid plans to test their quality. Benchmark then categorizes them for you so you can figure out if someone sent you the wrong email address. To optimize your results, you should test different versions of a specific email. Split testing allows you to show different versions of small parts of your contacts, and the rest can be sent to the winner. Benchmark Email is certified under the EU-US Privacy Shield and Swiss-US Privacy Shield. Companies that receive this certification must adhere to a strict set of policies and data protection measures to keep customer data safe. The certification is renewed annually. All sensitive information sent to and from the Benchmark Email website is encrypted using SSL. Emails sent using Benchmark Email use TLS 1.3 protocol in supported mailboxes. If you have a paid plan, you can add a security PIN to your account, which adds a password requirement for uploading customer lists. This second layer of security is especially useful for businesses where multiple people use the same Benchmark Email account, as it makes it much more difficult for unauthorized individuals to steal customer lists. The Benchmark Email website lists customer support as one of the company's greatest strengths. However, during our testing, the knowledge base library was often disabled and the link to watch the webinars was still there. But these are minor issues, and we found short videos on how to use the software's features helpful. 24/7 live chat support is available, and you can get phone support during business hours in the US, UK, and Switzerland. We tested the chat with multiple requests, and the response was almost instantaneous and the staff well informed, so we definitely recommend Benchmark Email if you prefer to get support via live chat or phone. The Benchmark Email knowledge base contains about 50 short videos on using the software. Benchmark Email is easy to use, after-sales support is good, and the flexibility and power of its automation tool is impressive. But Benchmark Email's pricing is targeted at a higher end of the market and lags behind the competition due to the slow email delivery speed. It does have a free plan without a credit card, so check it out for yourself.